Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If the denominators are not the same, then you have to use equivalent fractions which do have a common denominator. To do this, you need to find the least common multiple (LCM) of the two denominators. To add fractions with unlike denominators, rename the fractions with a common denominator. Then add and simplify.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
A common denominator is a denominator that you can reach by both denominators. For example, in the problem 3/4 plus 5/6, a common denominator is 12 because it is the lowest number that both 4 and 6 can reach by multiplying with whole numbers.
Take our lead.
To add or subtract algebraic fractions, find the lowest common multiple of the denominators. Express all fractions in terms of the lowest common denominator. Simplify the numerators to obtain the numerator of the answer.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
To add mixed numbers, we first add the whole numbers together, and then the fractions. If the denominators of the fractions are different, then first find equivalent fractions with a common denominator before adding. Subtracting mixed numbers is very similar to adding them.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.